Whoa, what is cranking, wieners? Good to have you back on the channel. Today's video is starting off in a parking lot with my good buddy, the Cole Burford. This is a trip actually he organized. We're about 3 hours south of Camp Claw. And what are we doing?
We're gonna go catch some stripers.
But how are we gonna catch them?
On the fly.
Ooh, hell yeah, I've wanted to do this since I've moved to the Northeast. And like I said, Cole orchestrated this whole thing. So Cole's, he's a fly fisherman, he loves to fly fish. Me, you know how it is. I can throw hair, but not maybe the most majestic hair. We're gonna give it a shot today. We're fishing with this dude named Kyle, and he's gonna show us the ropes, and maybe we'll catch a striper. I don't know. You look so ready.
Pretty stoked, dude.
Let's go get him. Stick with it, stay tuned, and let's get bit.
You don't even feel it.
What I did yesterday.
Dude, all good, man. We're gonna have fun. Stop it for a half a second, get it going. That could trigger the eat, and then just long strip sets.
Long strips, that's like, okay.
Yeah, so probably the one thing that if everybody did effectively every time, that would catch us 40% more fish.
Yeah.
Is long strip, long strip, long strip, you know, and even when I'm on, I'm still holding the fish there just to make sure I've got that fish. Because a lot of times they'll run at you, or they'll eat and they'll be running side, you know, so you'll get a bow. So on the flat, it's gonna be more of just like a one strip and you're on. But when we're fishing streamers on the coast and stuff, you know, 1, 2, 3, and then start putting.
So it's a lot like redfish.
Right here? Okay. Oh yeah, we're tight. That was sick. Very fast. Very fast. They were there. Was on my first cast. That's awesome. Yeah. First hookup ever with a striper on a fly rod. That is so cool. We pulled up to this kind of deeper spot and came tight just like that. Nice little schoolie. Oh, he's tall. Oh, there we go. First ever striper on the fly. I think it's gotta be, right? I don't think I've ever caught one on a fly. That's so dope. Thank you, man.
Of course. Dude,
very sick, very sick.
That was awesome.
Send him back. Bye-bye. Wow, okay. That was very cool. He said, yes, please.
We got a better chance with bigger ones too.
Really? You want it right down like the middle? Like,
yeah, exactly.
Like that. Is that kind of the strip you're like the motion you're looking for? Like pop, pop, or?
That's perfect. That pop kind of gives it some noise so those fish can feel it.
Gotcha.
They love to eat it on the pause.
Oh, yeah. There we go. There we go. That was so sick. That was so cool. Oh, wow. Freaking dope. Watch him come right up behind that fly and just choke it. That was dirty. Second hook up the day. Looks like he's got maybe a half an inch on the last one. Maybe a little bit smaller. I don't know. Oh, yeah, it's a little bit better. Totally different fish on a fly rod. Totally different fish. A little bit bigger. Just a beautiful main striper on the fly. Wow, he got it. Catch and release. Okay, he's gone. Dirty. All right, get it. That's cool. I got 2 out of the way. Go crush.
Yep. Now we got him.
Oh, that's a better one. Yeah. Oh yeah. There we go.
He's like, nope, not that one.
That is a decent one.
All right, let's go.
How's it feel, man? It's doing things. It's doing things right now. Oh. Oh yeah, dude, that one's, it's got like a head. It's got a noggin for sure. Definitely the biggest striper of the day. Feels freaking so good to come out here and chase these guys on fly gear. Like, I know that sounds ridiculous, but we usually just throw like little spinning rods for these dudes, or when we're fishing from the beach, surf casting rods. Wow, that thing gave you hell, bro.
Yeah.
Choked it too, my God.
You see how light colored this one is? You can tell he was sliding around in the sand and the mud.
Yeah.
Really light colored fish.
So sick. Send her back. Bud. Very nice. Very nice. So far it's been worth not sleeping at all last night. You don't need sleep when there's stripers on the pro. What's that?
You want it?
Absolutely. Here, push me. I'll catch 2. Did you catch 2?
Yeah.
We'll just do 2 and 2. Oh, it's be a perfect time to come tight on like a 35-incher. Yeah, my finger's like this. Oh yeah. Yeah, there we go. Jeez, no way, dude. I was sitting on the bottom. Like, are you kidding me? I was playing with like my knots, and yeah, that guy crushed it. Just a wee little dude. Freaking fun though. Thank you. Much appreciated. Quick release, always good. All right, on some deeper, more rockier junk. That was cool. Got the blood pumping. Not gonna lie, we were a little tired there for a second, but those few striper got us alive back in it. You feeling better?
Oh yeah.
I feel like it's just a sense of you kind of struggling. Didn't want to say anything, but I was also in the same boat.
Doing great.
Doing better now. There we felt it.
Yep, he's on it. Come on. Yep.
That was cool. That was sick. So cool. They just kind of knows it sometimes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
A lot of times.
So freaking cool. Not a bad one either.
Yeah, if you want to land too, man.
Yeah, I got it. I just know it sucks to get down to. Oh wow. It's got a bit of a bump on him. Wow, there we go. Out on the main lake, main ocean right now. And that is number 3 or something like that. Wow, he's got like, what is that? Kelp on his?
Whoa. I don't know, man. That's funky.
It's not like, it just looks like grass, doesn't it?
Weird, yeah.
Ooh. I don't know if I should touch that. Good stuff, back she goes. Bye-bye.
So you saw that spot you put that fly, man? That is like perfect.
Okay, cool.
Right where that water's moving. It's right by structure.
Yeah.
So all that stuff is like, that's
Probably
where they should be home. Yep.
That was so sick. That is a decent one. Oh, wow.
Nice.
So sick.
Yeah.
So sick. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's, oh my God, there's like 3 of them.
Trying to double up?
Yeah, hell yeah. Woo! So sick. So cool, bro. Oh my God, this is definitely the biggest one of the day for me. Took a bit of a cat nap there, recharged while Cole was busy on some fish. Oh my God, dude, this is a nice one. Oh, let's go. Let's go. I'm still down there. This is so much fun. Oh yeah, yeah. Dude, this is a decent one.
That's the biggest one of the day.
Yeah, for sure. Oh my gosh. They're wicked.
Perfect. You can see how you like, you taunted him with it.
Yeah.
You know,
Dude.
kept it in his zone long enough where he's just like,
Wow, so stellar. Calling for the assist.
yeah.
Oh, thank you, man.
Funky one,
That is
dude.
such a
Good
good
job.
fish.
That's
Thanks,
awesome,
bro.
man.
So legendary.
That's sick.
Whew, there we go. That's definitely the biggest one for me today, and like my biggest striper on the fly. Just a new little record there. Nice fish, real long and lean, and just so powerful, especially on just like this main ocean spot. What would you call this? Just like this is the coast, basically.
Yeah,
We're fishing.
man, fishing the rocks, fishing the wash.
Good little fish on the big streamer. She's about to spaz out. So powerful, especially on the fly. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, they just shoot right down. Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Freaking awesome. Put her there, dude. This was awesome. So cool. This was all Cole's idea. So glad I woke up like at 2 a.m. to come down here and fish with Kyle and just learn a type of fishing and a fishery that I know very little about. So gnarly. Let's go get some more.
Oh, dude.
What?
Wasn't recording.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
I'm just kidding.
Here he comes, he's got
Oh, yeah. Good one, bro. Good one. Good one. Hell yeah.
nice, dude.
That was awesome. There's still some more in there.
Yeah.
Awesome. Lots of good ones. Oh, there's a nice one.
There you go, baby.
Oh, so sick. So sick.
Yeah, this spot is really cool.
Dude,
A lot of fish in
unbelievable.
that size. A lot of like
Tons of
23, 24, 25.
This water's crystal clear, man. Maine is wild. Maine is off the chain. We were just fishing rocks in deep water, tons of bait. freaking stripers everywhere. And now we're in the back of a marsh and the water is crystal clear and it's only a few feet. And we're really seeing these fish swim past us. We're gonna attempt right now, we're switching gears by the way, we're attempting to see if we can sight catch one. This is like the pinnacle when it comes to fishing, striper fishing especially, and then when you add flies to the equation, then it becomes really sick. So Cole and I are gonna get a few goes at these fish on the flats, and maybe we'll come tight. See straight to the bottom.
Unreal, dude.
Bro, it's unreal, dude.
Radical, man.
Do you always whisper like that?
Yeah, man. I'm scared to go out and catch some stripers.
Are you pissed off we're not surfing right now? You'd rather just be surfing.
Maybe bassing.
Is that tide just like you're itching to like hop off and smack the lip? You're right there. Yeah.
Start your cast to about 10 o'clock. Just going to be right. A little further. Keep going.
I think I've seen.
Just want to drop it.
I'm off, aren't they?
Touch behind it. Just get that line tight. Give it a bump. Come on. He's right with you.
Is he?
Yeah, long strip. Long strip. Wait. Okay. All right, you pissed off. Well,
Okay. Oh, what was that? Striper. Oh. Few of them. Yep. There we go.
Yes, sir.
Got him.
Yes, sir.
There we go. That was so dirty. So dirty. Yes, there's 2 of them there too. That's so sick. Oh my gosh, dude. I've never caught a striper like this. This is like red fishing or trigger fishing. Like what the hell?
you saw that when you guys did that. Oh.
Thanks, man.
Here, get that one to come over here. I'll jump in and grab him.
Yeah, you do that. So cool. It's just like 2 completely different fisheries in like a matter of a mile radius.
Totally.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, dude. That's why striper are fun, is like they get to be 40 pounds, but like catching a 3-pounder is also like
Right.
dope as. Thank you, man.
Yeah,
Appreciate
dude,
it.
get that crab hanging out of
dude.
his mouth.
That is crazy. Like what? I cannot believe this. Is that a little flexo crab?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah,
This is the same we were using in Sudan.
Yep.
That is psycho. Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Oh, sight casted this dude. That was like the coolest moment so far of the day. See you later, buddy.
Hell yeah.
Nice. Very good last minute striper. Not a terrible one either. Not a bad one at all. Jeez. I'd be fooled. I didn't think it was that big. I was like not excited. I was like, oh, just a little guy. She ain't bad. Yeah, choked. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, buddy.
There we have it. That's probably gonna be my last fish of the session. Wow, this is so much fun. It's been a long time since I've just only thrown a fly rod. Oh yeah.
Heck yeah.
Beauty. Freaking beauty. See you later, bub. Back she goes.
All right.
Hell yeah, sir.
Yeah, it's early in the season. I fish up river quite a bit. Cool.
Thanks so much, man. Do you need help with anything before we head on out?
No, you're good. I'll
Awesome.
walk up with you guys.
Cool, cool. Holy my god, I'm ugly. Dude, do I always look like this?
Yeah.
Or is it just when I only get 1 hour of sleep? We're back in the rigged runner, off the boat. I just want to say a huge shout out to Kyle for taking us out, being so patient. The guy has just got such a positive attitude about everything, fishing specifically, and he's just super enthusiastic. But yeah, awesome dude. If you guys want to check out his guide service, we'll leave it linked down below. Primarily does stripers, and he showed 2 goons how to make it happen on the fly. It was like the first time in a long time I've actually fished with just a fly rod, so that was pretty dope. I actually had the heat on there for a second. Holy shit. Anyway, we're zooted. We're so tired. Cole is on 0 hours of sleep. I'm on like 1 or 2. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you guys want to see more striper content, more fly fishing content, or just more saltwater content in general, drop a comment down below and we will make it happen. We appreciate the view. Thanks for watching. As always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop.